Hi friends, welcome to the channel Melody Masters. In this video, we are learning the parts of tabla in the English series. Most of the my friends want me to teach tabla in English language. They were commenting on the other videos, so I hope this video will help you. I try to cover the lessons in English also so that my audience will enjoy the English version too. Therefore, in this the first initial beginners lesson, I'll teach you the tabla, the basics of tabla, the parts, what we name the parts of tabla. So it will be easy when we learn tabla as we know the parts of it. So let's start. So in tabla, most of the parts are in Hindi language, so we need to learn that, but some of the literal translation can be done in English too. Some words are similar. So first we'll know this tabla is called a drum. We'll call it drum. It is right drum. This is small is right, and the bigger one is left drum. We call it drums. But together we call it tabla in English. So the parts of tabla are, the major part you need to know while playing it is this blackish part. The black part is called shahi. This is the shahi, this blackish part, we call it shahi. And the black, and this is the area where it is smooth area, is called maidan. Maidan means, the literal translation of maidan means field. Playground is a smooth playing area, maidan. So I call it in English as a field or a ground, this clean area. And this part is called chati. This part is called chati. And this molded part, bented part, this is called gajra. And this wood here, this is called gatta. And this is called bida. We put tabla so it don't shake and move from place. This is bida. We call it bida. So these are the some we call more these parts. We have more names on there, but if you know this part for playing tabla, you don't need to know all these parts. But playing only, if you understand, this is a gatta. These wooden blocks, this in a cylindrical shape. This is gatta. We call this gatta. And this is gajara. This is chati, and this is maidan, which I translated it as a field or a ground. And this is our shahi. This blackish part is called shahi. So this whole thing is called pudi. This whole cover, like this wooden is covered by this leathers, is called pudi. This whole part is called pudi. And this is called tana, tans. This is a string or tans of these are all made of leathers. And this inside, this in here, this is of wood. Here it is of, this is of steel, or it can be of any copper, or it can be of soil, mud. It can be of anything. Like this is like a, this is like some kind like a utensils, like a bucket. And this is a wooden bucket, jug like a shape. So this is so simple, this we called. But in the playing tabla, you will need to know this is a chati, maidan, and siai. If you know this properly, slowly you can get it all these parts. So hope you get these parts in tabla. I didn't show this in here because this and this are same, only the size is different and sound is produced by this difference. It is like a treble and it produces bass sound. Therefore I didn't describe everything here, I only choose to describe here. it is same. So thanks for watching the video. Please comment how do you like my video and what I should do more in videos. You can suggest me for anything I'm doing wrong or the techniques I need to apply to make the better videos and lessons. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing.